Hello, everybody. My name is Sachin Sharma, and I'm founder and CEO with Resume Mentor Global. We are world's first company that uses artificial intelligence-driven assessments and data to build content on your resume. I have recently noticed there are companies who are doing a lot of advertisements on social media, including all the platforms, and they are sharing a lot of misleading information. Now, I want to bring to your notice that resume writing process is a very personalized process because it's all about your journey. And to ensure you have a interview winning resume, it's important to have an exceptional content on your resume. Now, the question is, how do we create that exceptional content? So, let's understand one philosophy of our company, and it is if you want to be a successful grandfather, you have to be a successful father first, which precisely means, let's say I have to write a resume for a person who is looking to have director IT position in a company. Now, to ensure that there is interview winning content on the resume, either your consultant should be a director IT or he should be better than you in regards to the knowledge and with regards to the experience. And to do that, either somebody who is already a director IT or somebody who is a vice president, they are the right people to be your consultant to do consulting on your resume. Now, why I'm saying so? See, this person who is a director IT already, who is writing your resume, he has a very clear understanding about what are the things which are expected from a director IT. And when he's writing your resume, he will keep all those things in consideration for writing the content. Now, this would include whether you are job ready, whether you are future ready, do you have understanding and insights on the future technologies or not? I think those are the things which are very important. And typically, when a director is being hired, his resume is seen either by a CTO or by a vice president. So, when a vice president is looking at your resume, what are the things which he will look at is something which is going to be created in the content on your resume. And that's the reason we say that our consultant has to be somebody who is better than you in every manner, and he has a better understanding about the industry, about the requirement, about the role, and about the overall persona of the person. And to do that, he has to do a strong, a very functional, and result driven conversation with you. And after doing this conversation, there are certain mandates which are given to the content writing team by this consultant, and that's how you will have the world's best content on your resume. Now, typically, what happens is most of the companies in the world, including India, they hire freshers and homemakers and they give them templates. Now, when these people are calling you, they do not have any understanding on the industry, your aspirations, what kind of content is to be written. All they do is they ask you a few questions and they do certain cosmetic changes. They ask you for your current resume, make certain cosmetic changes in that, and give it back to you. Now, there are certain companies who even claim that they are going to give you more than 5 to 10 different templates so that you can apply for different jobs. Now, this is an absolutely misleading information because if you are using 10 different resumes and you are showing those resumes and you are throwing those resumes in the market, you're actually confusing your recruiters. Now, you cannot be master of everything. You are master of one or two skill set, and that is what your resume precisely should be talking about. So anybody who says we're going to give you 5 templates, we're going to give you 10 templates, we're going to give you 20 templates, they are all giving you wrong information, and you should not fall prey to such kind of companies. Their only intent is to get your order, make money, create content using some AI engines, make certain cosmetic changes, and give it back to you. Somebody like us at Resume Mentor Global, we create exceptional content, we create exceptional sections on your resume. We try to show your victories, your wins by using data on your profile. If you look at our website, or if you go to Google, you will see 5-star ratings. We have not even a single customer till date who has made complaints to us. Now, this is the story of our company, and this is how we run our company. We understand that writing somebody's resume, it's a great responsibility, and we cannot assign such kind of jobs, or I would say responsible jobs, to people who are homemakers or who are freshers. So we cannot hand over your career in immature hands. So that's the reason I always say, if you have to be a successful grandfather, you have to be a successful father first. So having said this, I want to communicate to all of you that this is my first video which I'm doing, but I think it's my responsibility, being a corporate person, to inform everybody that don't fall prey to such companies who are trying to throw a lot of freebies to you only to attract your attention and to get your order. If a company is giving you valuable content, creating a lot of value on your profile, then this company is not going to give you anything free. Let's understand this very basic logic. Their focus is to work very closely with you and to make sure 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours of conversation, even if it's required, they do it with you, and then they create interview winning content. Did you realize I just said interview winning content? Now, that is the second thing which I want to share with you. All the companies in the world, they always say that if you take our resume services, you will get jobs. No, it does not happen. The role and the definition of a resume is to help you win an interview opportunity, and that's what is the role of a successful resume. So all the company in the world would say, if you take our services you will get jobs, but we at Resume Mentor Global, we always tell our customers that we don't want to mislead you. All we are saying is, if you take our resume services, you will get interview opportunity. And that is where the whole genesis of writing resume is. Now, whether you get the job or not, that is something which is absolutely dependent on your performance in the interview stages with your future and prospective employers. So my request to you is, don't fall prey to such companies who are giving you juicy carrot or giving you a hook to trap you. Work with companies who are responsible, who bring value, who bring good consultants to you, those who can create resumes for you, and more than that, work for companies who have a sense of responsibility towards their customers. On this note, I want to tell you our website is www.resumementorglobal.com. You can visit there. Our consultants are waiting to talk to you. We wish you all the best in your job search, and we promise to create exceptional content which will help you win an interview opportunity for your future. Take care and all the best.